click on Settings, scroll on the left-hand side down until you reach Device Care, and then you will select the second option here that says Storage. And then from here, you can go ahead and select Trash. So trash will be all the files that you deleted, but it sits in a bin waiting for you to empty it. So click on Trash. And then here you have the 3 different sections. Let's go over to My Files here. Let's click on the 3 dots in the top right and hit Empty. Then hit Delete. And then you can go back and you can repeat the process for whatever else is left. These are just calendar invites. Same process, click on the 3 dots, click on Empty, click on Delete. And then now let's go back. Let's go back once again. And here we've cleaned up some space on our Samsung tablet. Or sorry, we've freed up some space on our Samsung tablet.